Hadid. Pistol whip this hoe. Telling that bitch, give me my money. Oh, I'm fucking your bitch for sure. Talking about her mother. I'm fucking up her sister and I'm fucking up her brother. Shit, I'm motherfucking hot. Tell her I'm that guy. I don't give a fuck, man. I'm gripping on the thighs. Gotta fucking mesmerize. I tell it's not Illuminati. So don't try to jump and get up in the fucking shoddy. Cause that's where the homie go. Tell you my bitch to jump in the back, yeah for sure.
Jump in the back, but make sure you sitting on one of my homies' laps. For sure, we in a Corvette though. That's from the last track that we didn't report though. But for the homie that knows, I'm talking about the homie that's right here to my left though. Why we in this Corvette though? Why we in this Corvette? Oh man, we chillin', we wood grain fillin'. We telling all these bitches that are motherfucking willing to get our fucking dicks, yeah for sure. On the low, man, they telling, don't tell nobody, no. Man, you tell anybody, that's gonna be crazy. Cause they gon' think I'm your girl, man, they gon' look at you crazy. Bitch, you know nothing faze me. I don't get paid, but I do get lazy. Man, lace this in your blunt. I don't really give a fuck. Watch me, I'm about to stunt with the homie OZ. Tell these bitches all we do is fucking blow tree. And for you rap, no we ain't rappers, no see. We MCs, motherfucker, always freestyling suckers. I don't motherfucking like them and these bitch made fuckers. What the fuck though? I love my Corvette, whoa. I swear to fucking God, this is crazy. I'm in a Corvette and I'm just riding her crazy. What the fuck is up? I feel like I'm just stunting like, what? Why? I don't give a fuck. So that motherfucking bitch don't roll up to my block. Woo. In the Corvette though. She gonna feel like she on a jet. Oh. Huh?